CLVX1 offers you more possibilities and freedom. With CLVX1, you can do more. We've created the input device which allows you to accomplish more, faster, and with greater convenience. Creators have more control with gestures, more comfort at your workspace, and just a beautiful device. If you work with a code, there is no need to move a hand to scroll or select the text. CLVX1 gives both great keyboard and touchpad experience. Do everything with the keyboard. That's so simple and easy. We designed CLVX1 to be useful in any lighting conditions and in any live situations, so you can do more and more. Now we're excited to share this device with you. The CLVX1 combines a quiet, low-profile scissors keyboard featuring per-key RGB backlight with a big precision multi-touch touchpad, all in one device. It's a new kind of input device that gives you a new experience and allows you to do more. And with the Touch on Keys application, you can further expand the keyboard's capabilities and customize it to your needs.
The way to CLVX1 takes 7 years. From 2017 to 2020, we designed the third gen of Touch on Keys technology and the 3 products. Since 2020, we have started development of the second generation of Touch on Keys. We're so happy to introduce the first product on it, the CLVX1. We designed every feature of CLVX1 for ourselves. That's the first product of our own Clevertura brand. That's why we're sure you will like it as much as we do.
We know you have a lot of questions. Will there be accidental clicks? How does the mode switch? Is it comfortable to type on? We have answers to all your questions. We've already released 3 devices with this technology. We constantly communicate with our users and work with their feedback.
But we wanted to gather even bigger community of techno enthusiasts to make the keyboard a new input standard device. That's why we are here on Kickstarter. We know there are a lot of people here who are interested in the new tech. CLVX1 is already ready for mass production. The first keyboards are coming soon and could be yours. Join us. Let's bring the future closer together.